Hello everyone, this is Vicky with Vicky's Tiger Tales. Welcome to my channel where we swap, unbox, and talk all things Disney. Today is a collaboration. It is a collaboration created by Mary from the Siskatears about gingerbreads. Gingerbread houses, gingerbread collections, gingerbread anything gingerbread applies. So it is a very short collection, but I really hope to grow this in the future, so I thought I'd go ahead and get started now and see where it takes me. The first thing I'm going to show you is, I actually wore it not too long ago in another video. However, they are my gingerbread ears that are from the park. I think these are absolutely adorable. There is Mickey and Minnie dressed as gingerbread men and women, and in their very festive gingerbread looking cookie ears. I think these are so cute. And then the second is also a wearable, and it's this t-shirt that says "Oh snap" and it's got my little gingerbread man that has a broken arm. Someone had taken off his hand. So I love me a good pun, a good ironic something. So I actually got that in a box swap and absolutely adore it. So I thought, how appropriate. Like I said, gingerbread collection is very small. However, I have a couple of pieces that I could show. So I thought about going ahead and making like a gingerbread man or gingerbread house, gingerbread something. Time slipped away, so I'm just showing you the cute pieces that I actually have. Here is my adorable little gingerbread house. It is, I thought at first it was an ornament, but it's not. It's kind of just like a little figure. It goes up in my Christmas display. It has the icing windows, frosted snow with little like gumdrops or something in there, sprinkles, and I just thought this was so cute. It's just a nice little figure to put up just to kind of give a little more spirit to the holiday. And then to go with it, you also have to have a gingerbread family. So I actually picked this up when we were over at, the name of the store is called At Home, and is this adorable little gingerbread family. There's mom and dad and little young gingerbread. I thought they were so cute. So this is an ornament I picked up for my tree, and I just thought it was adorable. Like, it looks like someone actually handmade it. However, it's not, but perfect for a gingerbread collection. And then the last piece I actually have shown on my channel already as a review. I didn't realize that this bag actually has like Mickey and Minnie as gingerbread people. So I'll give you a closer look. This is a Disney bag, not a Loungefly, but a Disney bag. And it has Mickey and Minnie on there as gingerbread people. I thought that was so cute. And then of course it has all the different like peppermint icons and trees and all these wonderful little Christmas icons on here. But how cute is that on these little gingerbread people? So that really is it for my gingerbread collection. I hope to have more in the future. It's on my Christmas wish list, so we'll see what happens during the holidays. But thank you very much, Mary, for inviting me. This is the first year that I've done her collabs. The first one was a pumpkin, and now the gingerbread. So I am fully in Christmas motion and in holiday spirit. So now I hope that you enjoyed. Go down and watch everyone else that has done one of these videos. There is a very large collaboration, so there's going to be plenty of people to watch and see what their interpretation of a collaboration for gingerbread is all about. Some I think are making things, some are showing their collections, and you'll just have to go down through the list. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Ta-ta for now.